Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Hobbies Diary, and today we are going to be doing something related to geometry, and it's been one of my favorite topics also because I've been really fascinated towards it since my college days. And actually college days mein hi was the actual place where I kind of explored with geometry, and it's one of the most important topics because it just gives you a space where you can really explore. So अगर आपको कुछ नहीं भी बनाना है, you can still cut out figures and make something which is not ordinary, and you can always reach out to a point जो कुछ नया आपको सिखाएगा. So it's kind of an explorative technique, and you can try out this tutorial at your home. Though I'm going to be showing you today how to make a 3D geometric heart at home, and it's not just a heart, you can convert it into a box as well. So if you want to know how to do this at your home without a lot of materials, then please watch this video till the end, and I'm sure you will like it. much for watching this video till the end, and if you liked it, don't forget you can give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down your views below in the comment section. Besides that, I also have my social media handles links down below in the description box, so if you want to know what I'm creating next, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's all that I have for you in this video. I hope you all are taking care of yourselves and your family, and we all are gonna make through these tough times as well. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.